Okay, friend, we show you how to import the 3D to the, this is the SCS980. Okay, we touch this is open the part. And we find this is a product ID. For example, this is the item. Okay, we select. And we choose the material. And import. Okay, and we can go to this is a tools to the setting. For first step, the tools setting, and we can choose all the tools by the automatic. We choose the automatic in the library. This is the tools library. Okay, we choose any other one. And the bending the sequence. Bending sequence you can manual, and this is automatic to the calculate all the bending the lines and the step. And any other step is quickly we choose use the manual order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7. Whatever you choose, and you can see the bending lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 4, 7. And we touch the OK. And this will be show you the bending the sequence the information by the automatic to calculate. Okay, you can see this is the bending. We touch the plate, show you the bending, the crash, or have some of the problem. You can see the information in the machine. Okay, all the CC is correct, and no alarm, no problem. We touch the outputs. Okay, we can see the PDF the field and show you how to the bending the sequence, and this is the XA size and the RA size precision. This is the bending reports. The punch is the precision and the bending the precision, and the bending the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every step and every bending the details, you can see the report. And now this is the NC. We can find the product library and show you the PRD and ITM. We can see and download. And now this is the program in the NC. We can touch the start. We can bending the product by this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Thank you for watching this videos.